This weekend sees the JD Welsh Cup reach the quarter-final stage, with 8 clubs looking to book a place in the last 4. And FAW TV caught up with Guilsfield FC as they prepare for a home tie with Bala Town.
9 years ago I was lucky enough to be involved with a couple of the players who are involved on Saturday. We played Bangor City in the quarter-final that year, got soundly beaten, so it's taken 9 years to get back into this position. The players have, as I said, have earned the right to be there. They've trained very, very hard all season. The club hopefully will benefit financially as well, because they work very hard behind the scenes. If we work hard enough, concentrate for 90 minutes, do what we're good at, you never know.
Well, we're a village, for a village club to be this far is a fantastic achievement. You know, we've been outperforming and competing against the big guns for a while. It's a chance on Saturday to prove that we can compete against the top sides in the country. To turn over Cardiff Met in the fashion that we did, and scoring 4 goals against a Welsh Prem top 6 side is an outstanding achievement, and we'll look to do the same on Saturday.
Really tough draw, but you know what? We're at home. It's on grass. It'll be wet. Yeah, and as long as we work hard and apply ourselves, we should give them a good game. We do try and use the venue in the winter months, and they've been very good, very supportive. Guilsfield's only like 12 miles away from here, so it's as good as anywhere. I mean, the facilities are great, so yeah, thanks to them as well. For a lot of us, I don't think it's really sunk in yet. I mean, the world, obviously, for a small football club, the lads deserve their shot at getting to a semi-final of a major cup competition. So it's brilliant. Everybody's looking forward to it. We just can't wait for Saturday.